This English vocabulary quiz consists of 25 questions, which will assess your competence in using the appropriate word in the given context. Are you ready? Let's get started. She spread sweet over the warm toast for breakfast. She spread sweet jam over the warm toast for breakfast. The fisherman repaired his torn before sailing again tomorrow. The fisherman repaired his torn net before sailing again tomorrow. We packed enough before hiking through the Rocky Mountains. We packed enough supplies before hiking through the Rocky Mountains. The gardener trimmed every to keep the plants healthy. The gardener trimmed every branch to keep the plants healthy. The children flew a colorful on the windy afternoon together. The children flew a colorful kite on the windy afternoon together. My father chopped firewood with a sharp before winter arrived. My father chopped firewood with a sharp axe before winter arrived. The doctor covered the small cut with a clean immediately. The doctor covered the small cut with a clean bandage immediately. The witness refused to change his story, even after the lawyer tried to him. The witness refused to change his story even after the lawyer tried to persuade him. The committee decided to postpone the meeting. Several important members were absent. The committee decided to postpone the meeting since several important members were absent. Jenny's explanation sounded believable at first, but there were a few details that didn't. Jenny's explanation sounded believable at first, but there were a few details that didn't add up. The author is well known for writing stories that real historical events with fiction. The author is well known for writing stories that combine real historical events with fiction. I didn't completely agree with her opinion, but she made several points. I didn't completely agree with her opinion, but she made several valid points. The police are still trying to the cause of the accident. The police are still trying to determine the cause of the accident. If more people used public transportation, traffic congestion could be greatly. If more people used public transportation, traffic congestion could be greatly reduced. The novel is based on real events, although some details have been for dramatic effect. The novel is based on real events, although some details have been altered for dramatic effect. Nobody expected the investigation to such surprising evidence. Nobody expected the investigation to uncover such surprising evidence. The speaker managed to everyone's attention throughout the conference. The speaker managed to hold everyone's attention throughout the conference. Several witnesses gave completely accounts of the incident. Several witnesses gave completely conflicting accounts of the incident. The scientist's theory was later by independent research. The scientist's theory was later supported by independent research. She found it difficult to, with constant changes at work. She found it difficult to cope with constant changes at work. His apology failed to the damage caused yesterday. His apology failed to repair the damage caused yesterday. She eventually that her original assumption had been incorrect. She eventually realized that her original assumption had been incorrect. The new regulations are intended to unfair competition. The new regulations are intended to prevent unfair competition. The speaker's comments were likely to strong reactions from the audience. The speaker's comments were likely to provoke strong reactions from the audience. The charity relies heavily on volunteers to its daily operations. The charity relies heavily on volunteers to sustain its daily operations. Don't forget to share your score in the comments section. If you're new here, make sure to like and subscribe for more useful content. See you in our next videos.